Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enable the developer options. So let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system. Here we have to scroll and find developer options. Let's enter and scroll down again to localize this option, automatic system updates. Now simply tap on the switcher and from now on this option is active and your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. The device will be restarted, of course, if the updates are available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again and turn off the developer options just by tapping on the switcher at the very top. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.